Welcome to our educational channel where we can learn and play at the same time.
Press the green button to play. Our friends are hungry. Let's get some pizza delivered today. The wolves. What pizza does your friend want? Margarita. Put the necessary items into the basket. Cheese. You're doing great. Tomatoes. Well done. Halfway through. Olive oil. Right. Basil. Correct. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. We need to grate this. This needs to be cut. Tear off all the leaves. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for toppings. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Just a little left. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's medal. Watch out! Squirrels ahead! Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! A stone ahead. Watch out! A log ahead. Hurrah! We've arrived. Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Good job! The pizza was delicious. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients. Our friends are hungry. Let's get some.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated.